Security is no laughing matter at Security Field Day 11. My name is Tom Hollingsworth, and I am the event lead for our Security Field Day series, and we're very happy to welcome you back to 2024, where the likelihood of a security incident just keeps growing and growing. Thankfully, we have a number of great presenters that are going to be joining us April 10th and 11th to talk about some of the ways that they are addressing these issues, as well as a great group of delegates around our table to ask questions and lead discussions about all things related to security. Security Field Day is one of the flagship events in the security industry because we bring the voice of the practitioner in with the people who are building the technology that are keeping you safe from things like eavesdropping, ransomware, and data leakage. We're going to start off the presentations on Wednesday, April the 10th, with a look at Aryaka. They are going to be talking about their unified SASE as a service, single pass architecture, and zero trust WAN to deliver network, security, and observability services to end users. They're also going to be demoing some of their new integrated security products. Following them is Zerto. They've presented at a number of events during Tech Field Day over the years, and we're very excited to welcome them to Security Field Day to hear what their unique brand of solutions is going to offer to our security-focused practitioners. Rounding out the day on Wednesday, we're going to hear from Palo Alto Networks. Now, I'm sure that they don't need any introduction because they are one of the stalwarts in the security space, but they're going to be talking specifically about cloud data security with DSPM and DDR. Now, if you don't know what those acronyms mean, then that means you need to tune in, and you're going to learn a lot about that and be ready for some really awesome demos about the technology that they're working on. Thursday is going to kick off with our friends over at Index Engines. Now, I asked them what they're going to be presenting on, and they were a little bit cagey because they wanted to talk about their latest release of CyberSense. What's in it? Well, all they would tell me is that it has smarter ransomware recovery and proactive detection of malicious activities. I guess that means you're going to need to tune in Thursday morning to hear about that as well. Who else will be joining us in the room? Well, we have a great lineup of security-focused delegates, probably some faces that you've seen before, but for the first time, we're going to be joined by two of the best security names in the industry from the Futurum Group in Krista McCumber and Shira Rubinoff. We're very excited to welcome them to the Security Field Day family, and we can't wait to hear what they have to say. There's another lineup of great folks, including first-time delegate Sky Fugate, and if that name sounds familiar, he comes from a long line of Field Day delegates, so we're excited to welcome him there and hear what he has to say in his unique perspective on the security space. We also want to hear what you have to say, and the easiest way to do that is while you're watching the live stream, make sure you head over to your favorite social media platform of choice and use the hashtag XFD11. The X is, of course, the Department of No in security spaces, but we want to have a little bit of fun with it. So just use that hashtag or follow our LinkedIn stream and leave a comment on the LinkedIn videos as they're streaming live on the 10th and 11th, Wednesday and Thursday. One of the delegates around the table will probably ask that question that you're very curious about, or maybe they'll offer your opinion to get the reaction of the people in the room. The important thing is that we're going to be making your voice heard because as part of the Security Field Day community, we want to make sure that we're adding your perspective to what's going on as well. We're excited to have this lineup of folks. We're excited to hear what you have to say about it, whether it's on social media or writing coverage after the fact. Whatever it is, we want your take. So make sure you tune in. We'll see you there. Security Field Day 11, April 10th and 11th.